Hi guys, I'm Tara from trèStiQue, and today I'm going to teach you my tips and tricks for using our mascara. So this is actually my must-have product that I wear every single day. And what I love about our mascara is that it is the world's first mascara to have a built-in curler in the cap, which makes it super easy, convenient, fast. And it's intentionally a half curler to allow you to go from one side to the other in sections so that you can ensure that you cover all of your lashes despite the shape of your eye, which is a fun fact. So I just go around, just hold it down a couple seconds and curl every lash. Get that really nice lift. Then just twist it off. I love our wand because it gives that perfect shape to not get too much mascara on your eyes, but enough to see the difference in the length. As you can see, it goes on really smooth, super easy to apply. Look at that. A little on the bottom. You can always apply as many or as little layers as you like. Get the perfect look. Now the other side. All done. And for my eyeliner, I already applied it, but I used our Santorini Black Sand. I love this eyeliner because you have the smudger on the end, so it helps if you want to do a quick smoky eye on the top, and then you also have a sharpener if you need it, but our eyeliners are gel formula and it glides on so smooth. It's so creamy. I love it. It's my favorite eyeliner. Then I just want to apply a quick balm for moisturized lips. It's cold in the winter, it dries out, so it's probably one of my favorites. It's our Paris Pink. And then you have your lip crayon on the other end if you want a little bit of color. And then maybe just for a little bit of shimmer, I am using our Venetian Shimmer Shadow Crayon, and the great thing is, even if you've already done your full face, because it's a cream shadow, you're not gonna have the problem with the powder spilling all over, so you can just quickly apply this on. And like all of our products, it just glides on super fast and just adds that fun brightness to your eyes. And then just buff it out with the brush on the other end. And then the other side. It's a really beautiful color on all skin tones. This is a great shade. And you're all done.